Early Friday morning, crews from Petersburg's Department of Public Works were making sure trucks started. Snowplows operated properly, and salt and sand were loaded, ready to go.
Petersburg has got all our snowplows on. We've test run all our salt spreaders and sand spreaders.
And having plenty of this is key.
We have an ample supply of salt and sand on hand.
As for the main streets in Petersburg,
We've got a contractor in that's either doing or has done the brining the main roads through town that we normally would salt.
in Colonial Heights,
The equipment is getting checked, making sure it's in good working order. We are loading our trucks with a salt sand mixture to apply on the roadways before the precipitation occurs.
Colonial Heights says they also have enough salt and sand to handle this snowstorm, and they have a specific way where it is applied.
We have a dedicated list of steep areas, bridges, places that ice quickly that we make sure we hit with the pre-treatment before the event starts.
Crews in both Colonial Heights and Petersburg are now working 12-hour shifts, but knowing when and when not to plow is important.
You can't start as soon as the first flake falls. You need a couple of inches before you start plowing. But once you get that, you just plow until the roads are clear.